Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions that work on a lock screen for Realme C33. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Here scroll all the way down to find the system, go for the gestures, and now we can see all of them. But let's check which of them work on a lock screen. So first one is system navigation, and that's how you navigate through your phone, and you can use 3 buttons or gesture navigations, and I would say it works and it doesn't work at the same time on your lock screen, because if you enable gestures or 3 button navigations, you'll kind of see the buttons right here, but they don't do anything. Now let's go back, and the next one is lift to check the phone. Make sure to enable it. Now if you lock your device and pick it up in a grip, it should wake up like this. So that one works for your lock screen. Next one is press and hold power button, and here enable it to call out Google Assistant. Let's check it on the lock screen. As you can see, it works fine. Next one, we need to disable the assistant for it, and here we'll be able to enable prevent ringing and choose to make it vibrate or mute. And let's go with mute because my phone is already on vibrate. And now let's lock the phone, and here we need to press power key and volume up key at the same time to make our phone muted. And that's all of the gestures and motions that work on a lock screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.